welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 200-gram cake by Zombie brand fireworks. This one is called Be Eating You. It's actually kind of a play on words if you're familiar with the Jeepers Creepers movies. That was the license plate on the Creepers truck that he drove around, so pretty cool there. I had to pick that one up just for that. So this one is a 16-shot 200-gram cake, and the performance... Jeepers Creepers. This item has gold glittering willows and red glitter tails with blue stars, to crackling willows with green stars, and a killer finale. Don't cover those peepers. So there you go. Take a look at the inside real quick. So there's a look at the tubes here. Again, this is a 16-shot 200-gram cake by Zombie brand fireworks called Be Eating You, and we'll take a look at it and see how it performs.